This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation 2011-2015, and a lot of people, a lot of owners ask where the hell is the fuel filter. The fuel filters in these cars are not replaceable. There are no serviceable fuel filters for the 1.4 and 1.8 liter engines in the USA. There are no fuel filters, so you don't need to replace anything. The only fuel filter in these cars is the fuel filter that's located inside the tank, and it's also not serviceable, so there is no manufacturer recommended service interval for those filters. And the only type of the Chevy Cruze that has the fuel filter is the diesel, 2.0-liter diesel in the USA. Of course, there are in Europe are different engines with different configurations, different service intervals and requirements. So I'm talking about American ones, and the USA diesel, which is 2.0-liter, has a filter that needs to be replaced once every 30,000 miles. It's very important because if that filter is clogged, if that filter doesn't work, your diesel engine may have big problems, very big problems with fuel supply systems.